Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a delicious Indian flatbread called Parantha from millet flour. Millets are rich in minerals, fiber, lignans, phytonutrients, and are definitely the go-to grain if you want to maintain good health and even to get rid of many diseases. While proso, pearl, finger, and great millet are called neutral millets and are better than rice and wheat, the five small millets, little millet, brown top, kodo, foxtail, and barnyard millet, have been known to reverse many health conditions. And that is why it's a great idea to include them in different forms in our food. In this Indian flatbread recipe or parantha, you can use any millet flour and add lots of chopped vegetables, and I have added beet greens, baby spinach, cilantro, yellow onion, green onion, grated ginger, green chilies, carom seeds, black pepper, salt, a tablespoon of garbanzo bean flour, 2 teaspoon oil or ghee, and then add the millet flour and warm some water on the skillet and keep adding and kneading with your hands till it rolls into a nicely formed dough. Make small balls from this dough and press it down onto a parchment paper and flatten it and spread with your hands. Flatten it till it is as thin as you want. Lift the parchment paper and turn it upside down into your palm and put it on a hot skillet. Flip 3-4 times as it is getting cooked so it is evenly done on both sides. And you can add the oil or the ghee as it is getting cooked. And there you go, you have a delicious parantha, millet parantha ready in a few minutes. You can eat this as is or with yogurt or with any vegetable curry or lentils. Enjoy!